Dimensions: 18 in outside diameter x 3/2 in inside diameter x 1/2 in projection x 4/5/8 in canopy. Lightweight for quick and easy installation. Exquisite detail with huge collection of exclusive designs. Can be cut, drilled, glued or screwed with common tools. Factory primed and ready for paint or faux finish. Add a high-end upgrade inexpensively. Instant renovation with minimal time and effort. Our ceiling medallion collections are modeled after original historical patterns and designs. Our artisans then hand-carve an original piece. Being hand-carved, each piece is richly detailed with deep relief, sharp lines, and a truly unique touch. That masterpiece is then used to create a mold master. Once the mold master is created, we use our high-density urethane foam to form each medallion. The finished look is a beautifully detailed, lightweight, solid construction, focal piece. The resemblance to original plaster medallions is achieved only by using our high-density urethane and not vacuum-formed, plastic-type medallions. Medallions can be cut using standard woodworking tools to add a hole for electrical or a ceiling fan canopy. Medallions are lightweight for easy installation. They are fully primed and ready for your paint. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. These are in stock and available for immediate shipment. Top reviews from the United States. Ceiling light medallion. Love how beautiful the medallion was and how it complemented my ceiling light.